Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shay from Kaoiasmakeup, and today we'll be doing an everyday makeup look tutorial. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so I stopped using primer, so right now my face is already moisturized. First, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelid. I'm gonna put my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. Yeah. And I'm just gonna place that there, like so. Take my foundation brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, now that it's blended, set it with my Laura Mercier powder, and this is the shade Translucent. Just gonna take my beauty blender. You gotta make sure that it's even. I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Colors palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here. Take this brush. I think I got this off of Amazon. And put it above my crease, slightly above it. Just using that as a transition for when I put the darker color. Now I'm gonna go in with these two shades right here and blend those two together. Pat the excess. Same brush. So that's done. Now foundation. To my face. Just like that. So now and to conceal, I went ahead and I wet my sponge. I take my damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. Now I'm gonna take that same brush that I used for my eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna with my damp beauty blender, Black Opal setting powder in the color Medium 400. Place that in all the places that I put concealer. So I'm just gonna put it here. I took too much, but whatever. Then I go back in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, And I'll take a disposable sponge like this, and I'll just dip into it and just place that down my nose like so. So I have that there. Now I'm going to lightly contour, and I'm just gonna go back in with this palette and take this brush, and I'm gonna dip into this shade right here. Just gonna tap into there, tap the excess in. Black baby powder, and I'm gonna set my contour. So I'm take this same sponge and I'm just going to I also like blush. So I'm gonna mix this pink shade with this orangey looking shade right here. Have the excess, and then right where my contour is. That I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses mineral powder in the color RMP13 honey brown. But first I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna sweep that excess powder away like so. Spray my face with my Mario Budesco skin. I'm almost done. I need another one, so I'm just gonna the Morphe M504 brush, and I'm going to highlight. I feel like my eyebrows are extremely dark today. Extremely dark. Like, A Colors Shimmery Loose Pigment, and it has a little brush in it, but we don't. Who uses that? Don't nobody use that. I'm just gonna. So this is the final look. I went ahead and I added some lashes off camera, and I also put on some lip gloss, some bomb lip gloss. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.